So guys, in today's video I'll be showing all of you how you can start earning money online from home and starting with $0. So let's get right into it. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for me. Thank you guys so very much. Now with that being said, let's jump right into today's video. Right guys, so I know a few of you guys have seen my phone farming videos and actually wanted to start a phone farm for yourselves. Now here's the only problem. Your wallet looking a little something like this. However guys, if you have some skills or just random junk lying around in your house, then you guys can actually go ahead and make some money online. It's very simple guys. So for skills, it could be really anything guys. You can do voiceovers. Maybe your voice is really deep, you can do a voiceover, or maybe really high and you can do a voiceover for that. Or maybe you're great at Photoshop, then go ahead, sell some graphic designs guys. It's really simple. You guys can go ahead and head over to Fiverr. I'm sure all of you guys know about Fiverr, and you can actually start a gig there for free today and list up, well, pretty much just any skill you got. So yeah guys, basically you guys can go ahead and list your skills on Fiverr and then help people create whatever product or service that they require. Now moving along guys, I know a bunch of you guys out there probably have some junk lying around the house, and so do I, because who doesn't, right? Either way, you guys could actually make some decent money from your random junk, as long as it's actually not junk, if you know what I mean. And you guys can actually do that by selling on eBay. And let's just say you guys have a random lamp like this that you guys aren't using. You guys can actually sell that on eBay, and yeah, it's really simple, although you guys do want to factor in shipping, which usually kills the sale. So make sure you guys actually don't ship out anything too large or too heavy at all. Another cool thing that you guys can do on eBay is actually reselling. Now if any of you guys find something cool or usually expensive but someone's selling it for cheaper, you guys can actually pick it up and then resell it on eBay as long as the shipping's not too crazy. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already get the concept, but basically guys, let's say you find some amazing Nike shoes that are selling for usually around 200 bucks, but you pick them up for a 100, sell them for like, I don't know, 175, cover the shipping for 20 bucks or something, then keep the profit in between. Pretty simple guys. Moving along to method number 2, let's just say selling isn't really for you guys and you guys don't really want to go through the hassle of having to deal with the customer and all the complaints and whatnot. Well guys, actually I've done this method before and kind of painful, but it could be worth it for a few of you guys out there, and that is surveys. Now before you click off, yes, surveys can be a pain in the ass, but if you actually find the right survey sites, you guys can actually make a decent amount every single month. So for surveys, make sure you guys actually choose the right sites, otherwise you'll be spending way too much time trying to answer some dumb questions that you don't even get paid for. And if you guys are interested in taking surveys, maybe you want to go ahead and check out my video right here. There will be a card, maybe either this way or this way. And I actually did surveys for a whole day and you guys can see how much I actually made. So basically guys, you want to go ahead and actually find the right survey site. Link will be in the description for all my favorite sites, and you guys can go ahead and sign up under those survey sites, and most of them will give you guys a sign up bonus. So go ahead, check them out. Link is in the description for all of you guys to try. Now to summarize for surveys, what you guys can actually make, it really depends on how much time and effort you put into it, but how much I make is usually around 20 to 40 bucks every month. And that's really just doing it whenever a survey is available on Leo or any other survey sites I use. And yeah guys, so basically in a month I actually only spend 1 hour if even doing surveys, and I'm able to get paid 20 to 40 bucks, which isn't too much, but hey, extra money, right? Moving on to our next method, we have using apps. Now in 2017, when phone farming was going great and all these apps were paying tremendously well, I actually used apps a lot to make money off my personal phone. I didn't even get into phone farming just yet in 2017, but I was already making a really decent amount from my personal phone. Just from using apps alone and downloading apps and all those manual work things, guys, I was actually able to pull off around 120 bucks every single month off my personal phone. And it was really quick, guys. I really spent about 20 minutes each day doing those offers and apps and whatnot, and at the time it was really worth it because then I actually took that money and invested it into the phone farm, which continued to grow and grow, and well, here we are today. Obviously I didn't just do phone farming, we got into other businesses as well. I'll save that for another video though. However guys, drawback is that 2020 hasn't been too nice to us, and yes, it has cut back on the earnings for apps, and now you guys will only be making around 30 bucks a month. Then again, most of these apps will be passive, and if not, it's really simple to do, and you know, fast, easy tasks that you guys can get done within 10 minutes each. So yeah guys, I'll have a whole list of links down below for you guys to try out these apps that I used before and currently use still. So yeah guys, go ahead and try out those apps and, you know, tell me how it goes. Now I know I actually only gave you guys a bunch of links and didn't really teach you guys how to actually implement these apps. So what I want to do right now is actually leave you a playlist of videos right here that you guys can click, and this playlist right here will teach you guys mostly what all these apps do. So yeah guys, go ahead and click on this playlist, check out all the apps and the full in-depth tutorials. I'll see you guys on the other side. When I ever say that, I don't know. Peace out for now.